Various tools of WCM. 1. Total Productive Maintenance (TPM), a tool that focuses on maximizing equipment effectiveness and reliability through proactive maintenance practices and operator involvement. 2. Just-in-time (JIT), a tool that aims to eliminate waste by producing and delivering products at the right time, in the right quantity, and with the right quality, minimizing inventory and lead times. 3. Kaizen, a continuous improvement tool that encourages small, incremental changes in processes, products, and systems to achieve higher levels of efficiency and quality. 4. 5S, a workplace organization tool that promotes cleanliness, orderliness, and standardization to improve productivity, safety, and overall work environment. 5. Value Stream Mapping (WCM), a tool used to visualize and analyze the flow of materials, information, and activities within a process to identify opportunities for improvement in waste reduction. 6. Kanban, a visual management tool that uses visual cues, such as cards or signals, to control and manage the flow of materials, ensuring a smooth and efficient production process. 7. Poker Yoke, a mistake-proofing tool that incorporates mechanisms and devices to prevent or detect errors and defects at the source, reducing the likelihood of quality issues. 8. Six Sigma, a statistical tool that aims to reduce process variation and defects by identifying and eliminating root causes of errors and improving overall process performance. 9. Standardized Work, a tool that establishes consistent work procedures, methods, and best practices to ensure consistency, quality, and efficiency in production processes. 10. SMED, Single Minute Exchange of Die, a tool that focuses on reducing changeover or setup time in production processes to enable quick and efficient changeovers between different products or batches. 11. Kanban, a visual control tool that uses signals or displays to communicate production status, abnormalities, or problems in real time, enabling immediate response and resolution. 12. A strategic planning tool that aligns organizational goals and objectives with departmental and individual targets, ensuring clear direction and focus on key priorities. 13. JIT, a tool that empowers workers to stop the production process when abnormalities or defects are detected, allowing for immediate attention and resolution. 14. Total Quality Management (TQM), a comprehensive management approach that emphasizes continuous improvement, customer focus, and employee involvement in achieving and maintaining high-quality standards. 15. Overall Equipment Effectiveness (OEE), a performance measurement tool that assesses the effectiveness and efficiency of equipment utilization, taking into account availability, performance, and quality metrics. 16. Root Cause Analysis (RCA), a problem-solving tool used to identify and address the underlying causes of issues or failures, enabling sustainable solutions and prevention of recurrence. 17. Visual Management, a tool that utilizes visual cues, displays, and charts to provide real-time information, promote transparency, and enable quick decision-making in the manufacturing environment. 18. Quality Function Deployment (QFD), a tool that translates customer requirements and expectations into specific design, production, and quality characteristics, ensuring alignment with customer needs. 19. Failure Mode and Effects Analysis (FMEA), a tool used to proactively identify and assess potential failure modes, their effects, and the likelihood of occurrence, enabling risk mitigation and prevention.